We're going to compare these two emergency radios. So if you guys are ready for any earthquake or any disaster or anything that happens pretty much anywhere in your facility, you got to be ready. Now, these are two set of radios slash emergency kits that you could use, right? Now, when I say emergency kits, because they have different functions that you can use, and they both are solar also too. They have AM, FM stereo. They have lighting. They have compass. And they also come with extra accessories too. We're going to take a look at them, all right? So these are two different models, if you guys can see that. Now, one of them has an LCD screen with LED light in here. It's solar panel, and it tells you when it's charging. It turns red when it's charging. It also has an on and off button for the radio and a large speaker too, also with extra two sets of lights, the outer ring and the internal ring, and then one set of actual solar panel, including with an SOS emergency sound and effect and lighting, and then of course a compass. And they give you a hand rail that you can actually set this up to recharge the actual system, and they even throw in a tool and you could charge out the devices. Now the other one has the same similar handle, but it has no button on the top. It has radio, FM, AM, and it's a knob and off and on, and also you can change the stations from here. And then your regular buttons on the back, your lighting and your charging and your SOS button, because it also makes some loud noise. Now this one has a speaker on the side. Panel is located right underneath the actual handle, but you're gonna have to remove this in order to actually charge it. It does have a handle to also to charge the device, all right? It does the same thing. Function, it has two lights. It has the LED long light and then the short light, all right? So it does pretty much the same thing. From these two, this is a little larger, but the best thing I like about this one right here is that it has the extra tool. It has a lot more functions in here that you have to require. You could save stations in here. On this one, there's no saving and there's no LCD. This one tells you when it's charging also too. This one indicates it too when it's charging. It's not very legible, too much of it. This one has a lot more functions than this other one. Any of these two would do the actual job, just to let you know. If you want more battery, more power, and more functions, this is actually pretty good. Now the size is a little larger. It does a lot more. So if you guys are looking for emergency radios, flashlights, any kind of kits that you have, these two are identical, but one's a little bit bulkier and larger, and it'll last you a little longer, and it has more functions. So hope you guys enjoy this video.